Hi, Elton John. You want some peanuts? There you go, buddy. Oh, it's a windy night. I'm surprised you showed up. It's kind of spooky out here. Oh, that's what you want. Peanuts in the shell. How about you? You want some too? Oh, hi, Tiny Tim. Come on, little guy. There you go. There you go, buddy. Oh, you're such a cute little boy. How you doing in this big wind? Well, it's very windy out, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 14. It's early. I didn't think they were going to come. Listen to that wind blow. It's crazy out there. So right here is the alpha male. I call him Grizz. Look how rough he looks. Look how he pushes everyone out of the way. And I'm just first starting to try and get him to the point where I can hand feed him, because he's a little tricky. You're a good one. Some are trustworthy more than others. I know you're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. What about you? Brutus, you want a cookie? You're a big male too. There you go. Oh, Grizz, you big alpha male. I know you got cookies on the brain now. Yep. You want that? You want that? There you go. Not quite hand feeding you yet, but we're gonna get there. This is where we start. Look how he bosses the applesauce. What you doing? You gonna come right into the house? There you go. Oh, that's a mouthful. You missed some. What do you say, Grizz? Are you gonna take it? You gonna take it, buddy? Yeah, this is a lot of trust going both ways. Yeah, don't be mean. See, I'm worried you're gonna do that to me, too. Let's keep doing that. Let's keep working on that method. Okay, Brutus. Oh, goodness, you're taking my whole hand. Look at all you cuties. A lot of little ones here tonight. Okay, Elton, don't let Grizz see that. Here he comes. Yeah, you're liking this cookie game. He just doesn't want to do it out of the hand, though. And that's okay. All in time. Don't want to rush it with that guy. He's rough. Hi, Ebony. How you doing, you big raccoon? Oh boy. You have skittish out there? That might be bashful right there. Hefeweizen? I just get a kick out of that color difference with those two. Goodness, Ebony. You are gigantic. Okay, Grizz. We're working on it, aren't we? We're getting closer to that moment. I did it with Ebony. You're up next, I think. Brutus is liking it. But actually, I'm out of cookies. And I'm gonna say happy OONSDAY, guys. It's too crazy to do any games. We're having this gigantic temperature drop right now tonight. It's gonna be in the low 20s. And this wind is howling out of control. I mean, really strong gusts. And usually they're very frightened by that. They must really be hungry because of those snow days that they're showing up. Elton, I am all out. I'm sorry. There's no more cookies for you. So, oh, Mr. Wiener showed up. Hi, buddy. I just did a wrap-up. I just said happy OONSDAY. And the main star shows up at the end? That's funny. You're supposed to have a starring role through the whole thing.